Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see our 7th chapter, Triangles Introduction and Exercise 1.1. Okay, so actually students, triangles is a very easy concept. Okay, but most of the students will get a confusion, little bit confusion. But actually, if we know the 4 basic properties or theorems or axioms, whatever you say, okay, if you learn 5 theorems, the chapter is very easy. Okay, so here the chapter name is triangles. So you know triangle have 3 sides and 3 angles, right? And here we compare 2 triangles. Okay, whether these 2 triangles are congruent or not. Main basic concept is this one. Okay, so just we compare 2 triangles and we will tell the given triangles are congruent or not. Now the question is, what is congruent, right? So already these congruence came in your 7th class actually. Okay, but we'll try to recall this. See, this is a 1 rupee coin and this is another 1 rupee coin. Sorry, this is another 5 rupees coin. Now, this shape is circular and this is also circular. Here, same shape but not same size. This is smaller one and this is a little bigger one, right? So coming to another, this is okay. Coming to the another coin, take another coin and just if we arrange the coins one on another, yes, these coins overlap exactly. అంటే ఒకదాని మీద ఒకటి ఉంచినప్పుడు coins correct గా సెట్ అయ్యాయి కదా. That means we can say these both coins have same size and same shape also, right? So here these 2 are in same shape but not same size. But coming to these 2, they have both same size and same shape. So these 2 are congruent. Okay, I think you get my point. Congruent means the geometrical figures which have same size and same shape. And coming to these 2 are similar. What we can say? Similar. That means they have same shape but not size. Students, so congruence ante ardhamaindi kada, same size undali, same shape undali. Okay, here the chapter name is triangles. We have to tell whether the given triangles are congruent or not. So for that, if we just put one triangle, this is one triangle and this is another triangle. If we want to tell these 2 are congruent or not, if we keep one on another, exactly they coincide na. అంటే ఒకదాని మీద ఒకటి ఉంచినప్పుడు ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా ఉన్నాయా లేదా, right? So we can say these 2 triangles are congruent. They have same size and same shape also. But always we cannot cut the triangles and we cannot place on one another, right? ప్రతిసారి మనం కట్ చేసి ఒకదాని మీద ఒకటి ఉంచడం అనేది టఫ్ టాస్క్ అవుతుంది కదా. సో మరి 2 triangles congruent అనాలి అంటే the 3 sides must be equal and the 3 angles also must be equal. Okay, and here another word will comes, that is corresponding. What is this? Corresponding. Okay, see, observe these 2 triangles here. Here in this triangle, if we put like this one on another, what is the corresponding side of QR? It is BC. And what is the corresponding side of PR? It is AC. And what is the corresponding side of AB? It's PQ. Okay, so exactly when we place two figures one on another, the sides like these are called corresponding sides or corresponding angles. Angles means. So what is the corresponding angle of B here? Angle Q. Similarly, corresponding angle of C? Angle R. So students, I think you understand what is corresponding sides and angles. So I am telling these two triangles are congruent. PQ or ABC. These two sides are equal and these two sides are equal and these two sides are also equal. Now tell me students, what is the corresponding side of AB? It's PQ. And what is the corresponding side of BC? QR. Corresponding side of AC? PR. Okay. So corresponding sides and corresponding angles equal ga unte, then we can say the two triangles are congruent. Okay, but always we cannot compare three sides and three angles. It's somewhat difficult, right? So for that we have some theorems. First one, triple S. We can say rules simply. Triple S rule. That means if in the two triangles, if three sides are equal, then they are congruent. Next, SAS. In the two triangles, the corresponding two sides and the included angle are equal, they are congruents. Similarly, ASA. The two angles and the side in between the two angles, included side. This is one rule, and sometimes we'll consider this angle and non-included side also. This is fourth rule, and right angle hypotenuse side rule or HS rule. So if you know these five rules, you can easily solve the problems in the triangles chapter. Let us see. Here, this symbol is called congruence symbol. Here, the three sides of one triangle is equal to the corresponding three sides of another triangle. Okay. See here, in triangle ABC and in triangle LMN, AB is equals to LM is equals to 5 centimeter and BC is equals to MN is equals to 7 centimeters and ACLN equals to 6 centimeters. That means the three sides are equal. So by triple S side congruence rule, these two are congruent. Okay, so we can say that what is triple S congruence rule means, the side congruence rule states that if all the three sides of a triangle are equals to the corresponding three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. So here in these two triangles, LM 5 centimeters and PQ also 5 centimeters. These are corresponding sides. And angle M and angle Q 45 degrees. Now MN and Q are both corresponding sides 6 centimeters. So now if we compare in these two triangles LMN and PQR, LM is equals to PQ is equal to 5, angle M and angle Q 45, MNQR is equals to 6 centimeters. So here two sides and included angle, that means between angle. Okay, so they are equal. So by SAS congruence rule, these two triangles are congruent. So what is SAS congruence rule means? If two sides and an included angle of one triangle is equals to the corresponding two sides and an included angle of other triangle, then the triangles are said to have SAS congruency. In these two triangles, angle C and angle J 40 degrees and CD and JK 5 centimeters and angle D and angle K 99 degrees, right? So we can say here CD is equal to JK is equal to 5 centimeters and angle C equals to angle J 40 angle D equals to angle K 99. Okay, so here two angles and in between side is given, right? So this is angle side angle congruence rule. Okay, so by angle side angle congruence rule, these two are congruent. So we can say if two angles of one triangle and the side contained between these two angles, that is nothing but the included side, or respectively equal to two corresponding angles of another triangle and the included side, then the two triangles are congruent by angle side angle rule, that is ASA rule. AAS congruence rule. Here in these two triangles, the two angles and the non-included side are equal, right? Angle A and angle Y 75 degrees, angle C, angle Z 65, XY and AB 10 centimeters. So by AAS rule, we can say they are congruent. So what is AAS rule means? If any two consecutive angles of a triangle along with a non-included side are equal to the corresponding consecutive angles and the non-included side of another triangle, the two triangles are said to be congruent by angle side rule, that is AAS rule. Here we have one right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, we can prove Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so what is Pythagoras theorem means? Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse means the side which is opposite to the right angle. In two right angle triangles, here BC is equal to QR is equal to 3 centimeters, and here the hypotenuse is AC and PR opposite to the right angles. So they both are 6 centimeters, and angle B and angle Q 90 degrees. So we can say these two triangles are congruent by RHS property. So we can say two triangles are congruent if the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the corresponding hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle. Then the two triangles are congruent by RHS rule. Now you may get one doubt. Is AAA is also a congruence rule? Exactly, we can say no, it's not a congruence rule. Even though the corresponding angles E, P, F, Q and Z are equal, then also we cannot say these two angles are congruent. Why? Here is the reason. Though the three angles are equal, we cannot say the two triangles are congruent. Okay? Why? Knowing only angle does not work because it can produce similar but not congruent triangles. So we can say AAA is not congruence rule. Okay students, SSS is congruence rule but AAA is not at all a congruent rule. So only these 5 are the congruence rules which we use in this chapter to solve the problems. Okay students, side congruency and side congruency, angle side angle congruency, and angle and non-included side congruency. Last one, right angle hypotenuse side congruency.